right, today we're going to bring a neck holder mount, and this is perfect for the cameras. Now, the only thing that you're going to require is make sure that your phone has a magnet, all right, or they also include the ring for it, all right. Now, one of the best things about it is very simple. All you got to do is push this little button here and it releases from one end, all right. You put it over your head like this and it clicks on. Once you have it click, look at that, guys. You grab your phone. I have a magnet, if you guys can see that. Put it on there and you can record what you're doing, or you could record yourself, but mostly the people use it for tutorial, hands-free tutorials, so you could help yourself what you're doing, and you could be talking because the audio is going to be right next to you. You'll be able to talk to them at the same time, instruct them how to do their job. So very simple. And to push a button, like I said, you take it off. Not only does it stand like a neck stand, but also you can stand by itself. So check it out. All right, I'm going to demonstrate you guys how this thing works. So right now we're hands-free. If you guys can see, I'm recording and we're going to go take a walk. Squirrel. So this guy right here, and look at this, hands-free. You can feed them, do all sorts of things. Go hiking. You don't have to worry about anything else but yourself. If you take a stumble, you have two hands to hold to anything else, so you don't have to worry about it no more, which is great. One of those things that you like, especially people that need the two hands when they're doing tutorials, walking this nice beautiful scenery, and enjoy nature too. You don't have to be holding a phone no more. You can just be enjoying nature, enjoying what's out there. And then I hope you guys like the video.